Okay, we're on question 19, and do give us a like, put in the comments what you'd like me to do more of or less of maybe, and subscribe. Right, here are the first four terms in an arithmetic sequence. The last term is x, dot, 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 and the sum of the terms is 7260. Find the value of x and show algebraic working. So before we do anything else, algebraic sequences go a plus d, a plus 2d. And in this case, a is 3. And every time we go up by 4, so that's 7. So that means a equals 3, 3. I'm being very lazy with how I do my 3's. D equals 4. Now, let's use the sum of things. So sum of the nth term uses, you get this on the front, is the nth term oh, okay, this will work, equals a plus n minus 1 d. So, except that, no, that's just the nth term. Let's go for the sum of the nth term. So the sum of the nth term equals n over 2, and then that's 2a plus n minus 1 d. That is what we actually needed, not this. So we know what the sum is. It's 7,260. We don't know what n is. That is definitely what we don't know. So n is x, but we'll call it n anyway. And then we know that that's 2 times 3, which is 6, plus n minus 1, and d is 4. So now we just have to solve this. So I'm going to start by solving it by actually timesing 7260 times 2 equals 14520. And then that's n 6 plus n minus 1, 4. Okay, now I'm going to times out by n, so that's 14520 equals 6n plus n minus 4, so that's 4n, we're still going to put times this by n, 4n minus 4, and then that would equal 6n plus 4n squared minus 4n. So that is that. We are timesing that by that, that's fine, 14520. Okay, so that would equal 4n squared plus 2n? Yep, minus 14,520, 0, and then we can divide through by 4 presumably. So that is divided by 4 would equal 3630. So n squared, oh, no, I don't really want to do that. I want to make that 2n squared plus n, let's just times by 2 equals, I don't think that could be right. I think it's 7 to minus 7260. Because, yeah, that's fine. So, now, what goes into 7, basically what leaves 1 and goes into 14520. So that would be almost what is the square root of it, but it's not quite that, is it? So you can use, at this stage, I would use the the quadratic formula, because otherwise it's just a bit too hard. But I'm actually just going to check that this is right by doing a little minus 7260 equals, 60 goes in. So equals, so if we divide that by 60 it will work. So n equals 60. We can put it in. So let's just put it into the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula would be b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and that's minus b plus or minus. So that's minus b is minus 1, plus or minus 1 minus 4 times 2 times 7 times negative 7260 over 4, which equals, well, eventually we're going to get 60 and minus 121 over 2. That's 60. I'm just going to put 60 in because that makes perfect sense. Right, let's try another one. A bag contains only 10-cent coins and 20-cent coins. Josip takes a random coin from the bag, records its value and replaces it in the bag. He then takes a random second coin from the bag and records its value and replaces it in the bag. Josip finds the mean value of the two coins. Okay, the probability that the two coins have a mean value of 10 cents is 49 over 121. Work out the probability the two coins have a mean value of 15 cents. So this is it. So 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20. So this one is 49 over 121, which is going to equal, if you do the square root of that, that's 7 over 11. So it's 7/11. Oh, this is kind of easy than it looked. 4 over 11 is that. 4 over 11 must be that. So that's 7 over 11, and that's 4 over 11, because they have to add up to 1. So the mean value of 20 cents is this one and this one. So it's going to be 7 over 11 times 4 over 11 times 2, which is 121, that's 28, so it's 56 over 121. And that did look a lot worse than it actually was. So that's there. Can I be bothered? I'll do that in a minute. Okay, I'm just going to work out, because I just worked out that I did this, found out that the last term of the sequence was the nth term, which was 60. So if you look at it, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4. So in order to get what that is, we need to do 59D plus A. So that's 3 plus 59 times 4, which is 59 times 4 is let me just go back into the thing that actually tells me that. So 59 times 4 equals 236 plus 3 is 239. So the actual answer is 239. So n equals that. So x equals 239. Don't forget to finish off your things. There you go.